what's up guys? Me and Kobe are gonna go pond hopping today. Oh dang, my hair looks pretty bad. That's gonna change in a second. Oh dang, I think that's a little bit better. Don't you think? Me and Kobe at the first pond. Alright guys, we're switching ponds. This pond's garbage. Go first then. No, I'm going with my stuff in my hand. Dude, it took us 15 minutes to get down here. There he is. Dude, I had a fish. Oh! Did you see it? Get off my line, get off my line. I can't. Shut up! He's on there. Oh! Yeah. Here, let me get him in. Get him in. Oh my god, it's like a 3! Yes! Yes! That's so scary. Alright guys, this is the end of the video for now. I'm gonna update you guys later when I have a shower. Alright.
Okay guys, it's Bassaholic here, and we're going to be looking at Big Bass 101 Stay Box. First up, we got some mini breast hogs. Then we got some mini crawls and mini grubs. We got some mini Senko type baits for the perch fishing. We got ourselves a mini spinner. We got ourselves some mini jig heads. Wait, that's not a jig head. We got ourselves some mini jig heads for perch. Again. Then we got ourselves one of them mini frogs.